CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC. CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC, Intel Core i9-13900KF 3.0 GHz, GeForce RTX 4070T 12 GB, 16 GB DDR5, 1 TB NVMe SSD, Wi-Fi ready and Windows 11 Home, GeForce 8080A34. System, Intel Core i9-13900KF 3.0 GHz, 8+16 cores, Intel Z690 chipset, 16 GB DDR5, 1 TB PCIe NVMe SSD, genuine Windows 11 Home 64-bit. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070T 12 GB video card, 1x HDMI, 2x DisplayPorts. Connectivity, 6x USB 3.1, 2x USB 2.0, 1x RJ45 network Ethernet 10/100/1802.11 AC Wi-Fi audio, 7.1 channel keyboard and mouse. Special feature, liquid cool CPU, 3-piece panoramic tempered glass front/side case panel, custom RGB case, lighting, USB gaming keyboard. Seven colors RGB gaming mouse. One-year parts and labor, free lifetime tech support.
Perfect.